everybody, and welcome back. I hope you've had a fantastic week. Well, today we're in the kitchen and we are going to make a delicious chicken chili. It's a white chicken chili, and if you have not had this or tried this recipe, I'm going to tell you step by step how I make it. This chicken chili is perfect for busy weeknights, cozy evenings at home, and meal prep. So if you are a meal prepper, this is for you because you can make this in bulk and freeze it. This is a one-pot meal, which is not complicated and there's no stress. If you're looking for a quick and hearty meal for your family, everyone's going to love this white chicken chili. So let's get started. So all you'll need for this uncomplicated recipe is 2 cans of chickpeas, which are also known as garbanzo beans. You will need 2 cans of white kidney beans, which are known as cannellini beans, and you'll need 2 4-ounce cans of chopped green chilies, and I use the mild. Feel free to use the spicier. You will need a box of chicken broth, and excuse me a moment, out of the refrigerator is a little more than a pound of white chicken. Now, this is chicken breast. I have never made it with chicken thighs or any of the dark meat chicken, but I imagine it would taste a bit too earthy for this recipe, so I would stick with the white meat of the chicken. And in this case, this is a chicken breast tenders. You can just buy chicken breast and cut it yourself, but what I'm going to do is boil this chicken first. And it's much easier to cut when you do that. If you try to cut it when it's raw, to me, now you can do it exactly the way you want. You can cut it raw and then put it in the chili, or you can boil it first. I am going to say I prefer to boil it first. So let me know what you prefer. Have you ever even made this recipe? This chili is on heavy rotation at our house. I am going to allow that chicken to boil about 10 minutes or so until it's not pink. You want it done. You want to make sure, but after you start adding everything, you know that chicken is cooked, because if you try to eat it too early, you're going to have raw chicken, and no one wants that. Let's begin by adding our 32 ounces of chicken broth. And at this time, if you love cilantro, you can add a few sprigs of cilantro to this chili. If you would prefer to use it as a garnish, that is fine, or none at all. This is optional. Now let's dice this boiled chicken, and we're going to add it to our stock pot. And finally, our chicken. Now these are cut into bite-sized pieces. Our garbanzo beans. These are Goya. They're my favorite brand. Our white kidney beans. They are also Goya. And our Old El Paso chilies. This is green chilies, mild. And if you prefer, you can use salsa verde. Let's add our chicken stock back into this stock pot. We don't want to lose all of that delicious flavor. Let's allow this to simmer for about 20 minutes, or turn it down very low and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. The longer it simmers, the better it will taste. And there it is. I told you it was uncomplicated and had very few ingredients, but it's so delicious. Perfect for a cool evening, and you can sit and have a hearty cup of white chicken chili. And when you try this recipe, let me know how you liked it. Leave a comment below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, you can tap the subscribe button and be notified every time I post a new video. And you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.